now that we have reviewed mixed fractions and we've looked at adding mixed fractions pictorially, we're going to now do it symbolically. There are two methods that you can use in order to add mixed fractions. However, I'm only going to teach one method. If you choose to do the other method, that's fine. The reason why I choose to do only one method is because it's the method you're going to need in grade 8 anyways. So in order not to confuse students, I'm only going to teach one method. So the whole idea is we still have to divide that number into the same equal, or the fraction into the same number of pieces. The denominators must be the same. There's only one additional rule. We're going to change all of our mixed fractions to improper. So we're going to change all of our mixed fractions to improper. So we're going to change 2 and 5/8 into improper. That's 21 over 8. Again, I've taught you strategies on how to do that. If you need to go off to the side and go 2 and 5/8 is equal to 8 over 8 plus 8 over 8 plus 5 over 8, and then do that 21 over 8, that's fine. I'm not going to show those strategies in this video. You do the strategies that you need to do. If you do the multiply and add, that's also fine. We have 21 over 8 plus 3 over 4. Our denominators are not the same. In order to make them the same, we're going to divide our fraction that is divided into fourths and make sure that it's divided into eighths. So we're going to times this by 2. Again, if you don't remember how to do this from lesson 3, list your multiples. 4, 8, and 8 is already, the same, so we know we can just stop there. And we have 8. Once our denominators are the same, we add our numerators and we have 27 over 8. If you choose to change it to mixed, we have 3 and 4. Oops, not 3 and 4. 3 and 3/8, my apologies, 3 and 3/8. Again, go off to the side, divide 8 into 27. It goes 3 whole times, and our remainder is 3. Okay? So either answer is acceptable to me because they're both in lowest terms, and it does not specifically state which form it wants it in. So let's find the sum of these two. Again, we're going to change each of our improper to mixed. So 4 groups of 4 is 16 plus 3 additional, 19. 1 group of 2, which is 2 plus the additional 1 is 3. Again, your strategies, if you have to go off to the side and change them to mixed off to the side, that's fine. I have a pizza that's divided into 4s. 4, 8. I already know that 2, 4, 6. Once I see the number that appears in both of my multiples, list of multiples, I know that's the denominator I need. So I'm going to put this in. Remember to drop your addition sign. This pizza or this fraction is already divided into fourths. This one isn't, so we're going to have to times by 2. So we have 6 fourths. Now that our denominators are the same, we add our numerators, 25 over 4. This is in lowest terms, and I'm just going to leave it in improper this time. Okay. Once again, another example. This one's mixed, this one's proper. So we're just going to change our mix to improper. This says I have 3 whole pizzas that are divided into 4. So 3 groups of 4, which is 12, plus the 1, which is 13 over 4. Okay, we have a pizza divided in fourths and thirds. We go off down to the side. We list our multiples, 4, 8, 12. I already know that I'm going to stop. 3, 6, 9, 12. So 12 is the denominator we need. Okay, so we're just listing our multiples. If it's helpful, have your multiplication table with you, and just go down the 3 and the 4s. How do I make 4ths into 12ths? Well, I times that by 3. So whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to that top. So that is 39. I have a pizza in thirds. I need it in 12ths, so I'm going to times it by 4 and 8. Now that our denominators are the same, we add the numerators. We have 47 over 12. And I'm going to leave this in improper. It is in lowest terms because 47 is prime. Again, 3 and 1/2, switch it to improper, 7 over 2. Go off to the side or go down your multiplication table. I already know that it's 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I'm just going to stop. If you need to write them all down, that's fine. So I know that I need pizzas divided into tenths. I'm going to multiply my first fraction by 5s because I have one that's cut in half and I need 10 pieces, so I have to multiply it by 5, so I get 35 here. Let's multiply by 2s, so I get 6. Once our denominators are the same, we add our numerators, 41 over 10. And then again, if you want to, you can go 4 and 1/10. Just the practice. 10 goes into 41. Just as a review, 4 times 40, and you have that 1 left over. So 4 whole pizzas and 1 out of the 10 that's left over. Okay. And that's it. And so you were to do 1A, 1C, 2B, 2D, 4, 5A, 7, 8, 10, and 11. And then this is an extension. This is if you're going for an 80% or higher. You must do that. If you're an honors student or trying for honors in this chapter, make sure you do number 13.